Are you trying to learn some recruiting secrets to grow your business? I know that if you are building a network marketing business, you need to build a team if you are going to get any results. So in this video, I'm going to give you some recruiting secrets to help you recruit more leaders into your business, and I'm going to do that right now. Hey there, what is going on? Fiso Mhlongo here in Njomaneka Mkapi, and welcome to another quick tip video. If you want to learn how to grow your network marketing business and anything else that's related to network marketing, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can get notified when a new video is published. And if you are on mobile, you can use the link on the video description below to subscribe. You know, the first recruiting secret that a lot of people don't realize is that you have to pay attention to the way that you are marketing. You know, how are you promoting your business? Are you telling your prospects that it's free to join or that it's very easy to make money? Are you telling them that you don't need to sell or recruit anyone? Are you just telling them anything you think they want to hear so that they can join your business? If you are saying any of these things to your prospects, then you are giving them a wrong message. If you are doing this, then you are creating false expectations, which will eventually lead them to quitting your business. You know, telling your prospects that it's easy to make money with your business puts them in the frame of mind that they don't have to do anything. If you tell them that there's no selling or recruiting, you are lying to them, because every business needs to sell products and recruit people, and in the job world they call that hiring employees. If there's nothing to sell but people are still getting paid, that means you are involved in a pyramid scheme. You know, when your prospects join your business with those expectations, they won't do any work because they expect everything to come to them easily. You are only going to attract people who want to get rich quick without doing anything. You know, these are usually the people who quit and then they call network marketing a scam. Now, here's one of the secrets to recruit leaders into your business that anyone hardly talks about. You know, you should always start off by telling your prospects the truth. If they never had success building a business before, don't tell them it's going to be easy. Tell them that they have to put in a lot of work if they want a certain result. If they ask, how much will I make if I do this? Tell them the truth that it's possible that you might not make even a cent. But most people who choose to follow the steps do get the results. Let them know that they'll need to invest in education in addition to the monthly business expenses. Just like any other successful person who built a successful business. If someone needs to join at the top level in your company to see a certain income level, don't tell them that they could get that result if they join at the lower level. If you follow these tips, you'll notice a big difference in the quality of people that you bring into your business. You'll start to recruit people who are serious and not scared to join at the top package in your business. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified when a new video is published, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.